Come test drive the 2022 WRX. The Subaru WRX is built with performance in mind. Not only does it provide corner-hugging ability and power galore, but it also provides fantastic fuel efficiency. Plus, you get the dependability that we've come to expect from a Subaru. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hood scoop, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, power brakes, braking assist, rear view camera, Wi-Fi hotspot compatible, airbags, driver, knee. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.